Hi there, welcome to another video. Today's video I'm going to talk about getting new parts for iPhone stuff. Excuse me. So basically, a friend of mine at work had an Apple Watch that needed fixing. Part of what I do, as you can see in the background, over there. Basically, I wanted a screen for an Apple Watch. Now normally I go on Facebook Marketplace and I buy a faulty one with a good screen, or keep it for parts and just swap screens over. But I couldn't find one for a decent price. I was paying too much. So I found a company called Sunsky, or Sunsky. I don't know if you've ever heard of them. And I managed to get a 42mm 3 Series brand new screen for £41, I think it was. I'll put the invoice up shortly and show you. £41, and it's turned out to be absolutely brilliant. It was absolutely brand new, or it was refurbished at least, but it looked brand new. And when I swapped it over, worked perfect, absolutely great. So I'll show you a bit about Sunsky, or Sunsky as they're called, and I'll show you the repair on the watch. So if we look at this screenshot here, you can see it's got a full description on it. It's $39.42, and you can even look at the back of the watch face and see that it fits, and it's the correct fit for the watch you're getting. And the delivery time was about 3 to 5 days. So as you can see here, I was taking the watch apart and putting the new screen on, which was a lot more difficult than it usually is. It was awkward to get the clips back in, but we got them in the end. Got to fix them in properly, and then we went to take the screen off, take the screen cover off, and then I just had a bit of glue around the sides because the seal was pretty okay, so I just glued it in. Checked the screen was working. There wasn't much battery power in it. Put in the code, make sure the code worked, and it was fine. All the screen was operating, working as it should. So then I thought I'd better just check it again, and then went to put a bit of charge in it, just to make sure that it charged okay. And then cleaned it up a bit. Still a bit of glue around the edges, so I used a bit of IPA to clean it off. This with a cotton bud, as you can see there. Gets it off nicely, that IPA. It's really good stuff. I need to get some more actually, because I'm running a bit short, and I do quite a few of these, so it's needed. Give it a good clean around the sides, and then put it on the charger. Make sure it was charging, which it was. And quite a nice neat little job, quick job. So the screen itself was about £41 with delivery, like I said. Came packed in a little box. It was quite neatly packed, to make sure that it was unbroken when it got here. So yeah, just finished testing it again, and then decided to let it have a little charge. So as you can see, it worked pretty well. The watch was fixed, and I returned it to my friend, and she was made up with it. It was actually a dad's watch, and he'd cracked the corner of the screen, so when I opened it up, it hadn't been cracked long and it was full of dust. So it just shows the importance of sealing these things up. Anyway, that's the video. It was more to introduce you to Sunsky if you've not used them. I'll be using them in future. In fact, I'm going to order a few bulk items from them, because you get them cheaper if you order in bulk. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.